Okay, it's recording. This is Max's sucker from Scotland, I think.
No, that was from Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
You got down.
Monica is opening it for him.
Go.
Do you want a sharp one?
Hi.
Boy, this is clear.
Hi, Max.
And the gift givey.
Hi.
Give her, I guess.
Oh, it's right.
Oh.
You didn't know that.
Oh.
This is, look at that.
That's much better.
But it'll last long. There's tape. Look at the suckers.
What flavor is this? Cherry. Do that one up with that. Apple.
Apple, strawberry,
Watermelon.
cherry, watermelon, orange, lime.
Ooh, watermelon. Is there the most of those? Because that's everybody's favorite. No?
Does Grandma want a watermelon flavored one?
Isn't that what everybody else likes? I like watermelon the best.
Suckers.
Favorite of
Thank
all the ones.
More medical bills.
Can you share, Max?
What? We started a new.
You should have recorded that.
So it's a bad thing.
Apparently, for all the labs I had ran the last time I went into the doctor, 2,051